Hello everyone and welcome to the Shaman YouTube Suite. Today it's a video from a very long time, from just like 2 months because I was having some kind of break and I was attending a wedding and all those. So today, now after a long break, I'm thinking to start a new course. So, and that course starts with a question for today. Now, sometimes you want to learn animation. So let me ask you, do you want to learn animation? And if you want to learn animation, we are just over here to tell you how you can do animation. And what kind of animation? So, animations like Walt Disney, but wait a second. Walt Disney, you can find two kinds of animation. The first one is this picture that compared. This one is having a beautiful castle with beautiful lights and sky, water, and it's looking like we are in a real life and all those. It's shooted on a real palace which is made. So it's looking like we are in a real world. But let me tell you, this is a kind of animation. This is a kind of animation. It is not a real life castle. It is made by the animation. And over here you can see the second animation which is just having some figure and return Walt Disney. But what kind of animations they both are called? So this beautiful castle ones is known this beautiful castle ones is known as 3D animation. Now, and this one is called 2D animation. So 3D animation, as you can see, it's like a whole real world and whole real world which is looking like we're having lights, shading, colors, and it's all like we are in a real world. And 2D animation, it's not like the real world, it's look like it's an animation. We can guess it. Okay, so this is the look. But in my course, what I'm going to teach you is the difficult one. The 3D animation I'm going to teach you. Okay, now you will be thinking from where we can make our 3D animation videos. But there is a very free software. It's free. It's 100% free, workable on three areas, which are Windows, Mac OS, and your Linux also. So this software is called Blender. Blender has all everything like this. As you can see, we can do journal things of 3D animation and 2D animation. We can also do sculpting, VFX and video editing. So here we bring a course on Blender called Blender Beginner course. So which will be learning all about Blender. Okay, and let's on our learning mode so that it's become very clear to understand what is Blender. Now about me, this is the Sharmandal. I had been working on years, 2 months, sorry, 2 3 months on this, 5 months around on Blender. So I know much about Blender. And now how this all going to work? How this course going to work? This course will having some kind of parts, and in that part there will be around 2 to 4 videos: modeling, shading, lighting, animation, and rendering. In modeling, we'll be having 4 videos based on the things like how we model shape. So we will be working on a project on an house. We will be making a bedroom plus study room and plus living it. So it's like a room with 3 things, and we'll be making that for modeling. First we'll be working on modeling, then we'll be shaded, we'll be lighting it, we'll be adding lights to it, then we'll be working on lighting. I will be giving the light to it and how our animation. And the last we'll doing some animation specific, like moving of the camera or moving of the chairs and others, and then we'll be render is that will be produce the final video. So this is how we will be working in around 12 to 10 videos, and it's very amazing to work with you. And you will be thinking that in between I had stopped the course. That was the web and the Android development. It has a reason. So because of something I can't make that video to continue, but I make sure that I will starting this that program also soon, but with an modification, because in these 2-3 months way I was just learning coding, how to do code websites. So I will be telling you that in my course coming up. Okay. So but in 10 to 12, 20 videos we'll be working on the course. Thank you. Subscribe to us, become a patron, and thank you.